Adventuring off-road in darkness or severe weather can be hazardous, to say the least. AEV's 7000 series LED off-road lights are the ultimate solution.
These 7-inch lights feature a hybrid beam pattern which safely illuminate the path ahead as well as the shoulder, which is very important when you're exploring remote areas with active wildlife.
The high-performance LEDs provide an incredible 8,000 effective lumen output per light. The light has a robust cast aluminum housing with massive cooling fins and exclusive vibration-reducing brackets. And each universal kit comes complete with two 7000 series lights, universal mounting brackets, weatherproof wiring harness, and solid light covers. For extra protection, add the light grill kit to protect the lenses against rock impacts. And an amber lens kit is also available.
The AEV 7000 series off-road lights come in a universal kit, but we also have vehicle-specific wiring and mounting solutions for the Jeep JL, JT, and Ram Heavy Duty.
Beyond just their impressive output, our lights are technically superior to our competition in numerous ways. The IP69K rating ensures water and dust intrusion will not be an issue. This is the highest possible rating a light fixture can achieve. For instance, you can pressure wash these at up to 1400 psi and not damage your lights or cause fogging. And it's backed up by AEV's lifetime warranty on the housing and a 5-year warranty on the electrical components. They are EMC electronic interference tested, have a 50,000-hour service life, utilize impact and UV-resistant Lexan 123R lenses, are 50G shock-proof tested, and have an operating temperature range from -40 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit.
Check the description and visit aevconversions.com for more information and to order your lights. And if you want to see our other product and adventure videos, click on this video next.